spend hours coming up with a way to get your kids cooking in the kitchen, or you could just let your mail person deliver it. Studio 5 correspondent Courtney Orton recently spotted a monthly subscription box that ships kid-friendly recipes and cooking gadgets right to your front door. Courtney, you're no stranger to these monthly delivery systems. You're kind of a fan.
I am a huge fan of subscription boxes. They're fun, they're exciting to get, and you don't have to lock into the every month, whole year long.
You're not committed.
No, you're not committed. So it's just a fun, exciting way to cook with your kids, like this one was. And I actually made the mistake of telling my kids that one was on the way, and so every time the doorbell rang, they came and checked the door. When it finally arrived, we were ready to open up that box and dig in. Check it out.
What are these?
Are there any papers inside?
Yeah.
Okay, Price, I think those are the recipes. Should we look at them?
Oh, and there's a star cutter.
So it looks like we can make snowball truffles, or we can make a snow globe. Ooh, hot cocoa cookies look fun. Reese, do you want to make those?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them in our book. Price, will you help me open the rings? Should we start with the snowball truffles?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, take it over by the stove.
The stove.
There we go.
Can I pour the stuff in?
Lindley, you pour the cream in. It says when it starts to bubble, we're gonna lower the heat.
It's really starting to bubble.
Good. When you're ready to make the truffles, sift this confectioner's sugar onto a small plate. See, this is what we're gonna do. So everyone's gonna get a turn, okay? So you're gonna take the scoop, put it in your hand, form it into a ball, and then you get to choose your topping. Okay, what do you guys want to make next? We have lots of things we can make.
I'm gonna make another truffle.
And lick their hands in the process.
Okay, that was my favorite, is Price just doing the full palm.
Not sanitary.
Do not waste a drop, Mom.
No.
How fun. That looked like a magical moment.
Super fun. The box is called Kidstir. It's really quite affordable. And it comes with recipes that you stick into your recipe book. So you just add them each month when they send you the new one.
You're building a book.
You're building a recipe book. And then it comes with the fun gadgets that we got excited to use. And, you know, it was really fun.
I bet your girls especially loved it. Lindley's at the perfect age for something like this.
Yes, and you know what? Surprisingly, my boy Price, who's 5, he loved it probably the most. I mean, he wanted to dump those chocolate chips in. And so a super fun for kids, and really a lot of ages, because I got all of my kids involved. So